Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and this week we're going to talk a little bit more about our auto functions, and we're going to show you how you can trigger lighting effects automatically with our steam locomotives. So let's get started. Now, as we've talked about in a previous video, talking about with diesel locomotives how you can automatically trigger lights on or off depending on the direction of travel. Now, we're going to take this application in the Tsunami2 function mapping and we're going to apply it to our steam locomotive here in front of me. Now, this locomotive here is wired up with a Firebox light, and so therefore inside the cab you're going to have that Firebox light as illustrated by the short video here. Now, when the engineer is actually assigned to a train and that locomotive is ready to go, he doesn't turn on the Firebox light because the fire has been running for hours to get that boiler pressure up and so that the steam is ready to use. Now, we're going to take the FX3, which is wired to my Firebox light, and that is controlled by CV 1.387. And we're going to set that to a value of 31, which is going to enable the Firebox light in all conditions. This is moving in the forward direction, moving in the reverse direction, stopped in the forward direction, and stopped in the reverse direction. And then the last one is the emergency stop. And so with each of these conditions, you're going to add up those bits, and those bits are going to create a value of 31. So when you set that value into CV 1.388, we're going to trigger the light to come on as soon as track power is applied, regardless of the direction or the motion of the locomotive. So we're going to go ahead and apply track power here so you can see the light come on. Now, as you can hear, once the sound powered up, you can see that the light is flickering in the background there. Now, the second part of this is to take the FX3 lighting effect and turn it into a Firebox light, and that's controlled by CV51. Now, for more information on this, please visit our website at SoundTraxx.com and check out the user's guide for Tsunami2 and Econami, and you can see how you can do this with your decoders today.